Hi, today I'm reviewing Motorola Moto G13 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should just select what screen where we want to add the widget, and then just to hold for a while the empty space on our home screen. Then tap here to the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see here the calendar applications which had two different types of the widgets: the calendar shadow and the month view. Just to add the widget to your home screen, you should touch and hold it just to move it to the home screen to add it. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold the widget and drag it to the just to another screen, or we can also create a new screens. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. And if you want to just remove it from your home screen, you should just hold the widget and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.